Hello, today the question is length of the last word. Given a string S consisting of the words and spaces. So they given us the string that consists of words and spaces, and we have to return the length of the last word of the string. Word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So they give us the string, and now we have to return the length of the last word in the string. Suppose this is the given string hello world. Now the last word is word, and the length of this last word is 5. So our answer is 5. Yes, in this example, these empty there spaces in the beginning of the string and the last, and the space is also in between the words in the string. So we have to return the length of last word. The length of moon word is 4, so our answer should be 4. Let's see how we have to solve this question, which approach I used to solve the question. Consider this example. Let's see, we have empty spaces at the start of the string here and here. The first step we have to do here is that first remove the empty spaces. Now our string will become like this. Now what should we have to do? First we have to count the character from the last of the string. So we start the counting character from the last of the string, and we move backward. And once we found the empty spaces, then we break our loop. So in this way we solve our question. First we take the count 0. First we take the count 0, and once we start counting the character at the last of the string, first we take the first we start from here, from n position. First our count is 1, then we move a backward position here, and now our count is 2. When we move at third position, our count is 3. Once we move at the position m, our count is 4. So once we move backward, we found empty spaces here. At this point we break our loop, and we found the our result, the length of our last word, 4. In this way we solve our question. Let's see the code how it works. Let's see the code how it works. First we remove the empty spaces in our string. So take the variable length 0 and use the for loop I in range 0. Go to length string -1, which is beginning from back. Then keep going back indexes by index and decrement of 1 until you find the empty space, and return the length found. The syntax length -1 and -1 is used as an argument for the range function to create a range of indexes that start from -1 from the last index of the string and goes backward to the first index. Let's break down the components. The first -1 length, this is the starting indexes of the range, and it sets to length -1 to beginning at the last index of the string. And this -1 is the stopping index of the range, and it sets to the -1 to include the first index of the string. This range will stop just before reaching -1, and this -1 is used here is this step value which determines how the index change in each iteration. A step value of -1 means that the index will decrease by 1 in each iteration. So if we found the empty space, then we break our loop, otherwise we increment in our length, and finally we will return the length of our last word. So in this way this code is works.